Hi everyone. In this video we'll set up the Piral feed service as an Azure container instance. For this, we already created a resource group and an Azure storage account. Now we only need to create a new container instance from the marketplace. Once you selected the right service, you need to fill out the necessary details such as a good name to identify the service later on. The specific SKU is not important. The service can already work on the standard tier. Make sure to use a private image type with the image pointing to the Piral Docker registry using your individual username and password. In the networking tab, you need to provide a DNS name label and make sure that the name won't be randomized. Also, use a non-privileged port such as port 8080. Afterwards, configure the service by setting the environment variables in the advanced section. Finally, once you reviewed everything, you can hit the Create button. After a while, the new container instance should be available. This is the time to look into the container section to see if everything is running and if the logs shows any errors. In our case, the logs look fine. Once the service has been created, you can access it to see if it's working as it should. For this, open the configured public URL of the feed service in your browser. As last step, let's try to add a new feed in the service to see that everything is working as expected. Congratulations, you've just set up the Piral feed service running as an Azure app service.